afternoon, students. So today our topic is months in a year. Okay, this topic I have already taken, but these days I'm taking revision classes. So again I'm taking it so that you can revise it again and you can learn it with me, along with me. Okay, now months means what? We have 12 months in a year. Everyone knows that we have how many months in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Okay, so we start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So how many months we have counted on our fingers? That is 12. 12 months make a year. Okay, like year is what? Like the previous year was 2019 and now we are in 2020. So 2019 we started in January and we ended in December. So now again after December what came? January came, and that is 2020, and this 2020 will end on which month? December. So this is how each year start with January and end with December. Okay, and how many months are there in a year? 12 months. Starting from January, first month is January, second month is February, third month is March, fourth month is April, fifth month is May, sixth month is June, seventh month is July, eighth month is August, ninth month is September, 10th month is October, 11th month is November, and 12th month is December. So this is how what we came to know, that there are 12 months in a year, and there are days and months also. Like January has how many days? It is 31 days. February has 28 days in non-leap year and 29 days in leap year. And this you need to know, that leap year has 29 days and non-leap year has 28 days. Now March has 31 days, April has 30 days, May has 31 days, June has 30 days, July has 31 days, August has 31 days, September has 30 days, October has 31 days, November has 30 days, and December has 31 days again. Okay, so now how we can learn these days in a month? Like January has 31 days, how we can learn this? So there is a trick to learn how many days are there. Fold your palm like this, and this is the upper part, this is the bone which is coming up, and this is the lower part which is going down. So starting from January, the upper part you will count as 31 and the lower part you will count as 30. Got it? 31 and 30. Okay, now January coming on upper part, it is 31 days. February is the exceptional month, it has only 28 days or 29 days. Okay, so you have to learn it separately according to the year, but otherwise you can learn other months on this palm. Okay, January, it is coming on the bone, 31 days. February 28 days or 29 days. Then March again coming on the bone, 31 days. April going down, that means 30 days. May coming up on the bone, 31 days. June going down, that means 30 days. July again coming on the bone, 31 days. Then August coming on the bone, again 31 days. September coming down, that means 30 days. October again coming up, that means 31 days. Then November going down, 30 days. And then December coming up, again 31 days. Again I'm repeating for you. January 31 days, February 28 days in non-leap year and 29 days in leap year. March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, and December 31 days. Got it? And now on hand, how will you make out? January 31, February exceptional month 28 or 29, March 31 days, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, July 31 days, August 31 days, September 30 days, October 31 days, November 30 days, and again December 31 days. So now you have learned days also, how many days are there. Now what we have to learn? We have to learn the month's name. January, then February, then March, then April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now what question comes? If I say which is the fourth month of the year, so you know which is the fourth month. I've written for you, it is April. If I say which is the last month of the year, last month is which one? December. Okay, if I say which is the first month of the year, it is January. If I say which is the shortest month of the year, it is always February, because it has 28 days or 29 days, not more than this. Okay, shortest month is February. Then which is the sixth month of the year? It is June. Okay, so you need to know like this also, like which is the sixth month of the year, seventh month of the year. But this will be easy for you when you're done with learning like this: January, February, March, April. So you know what months come after which month. So when you know which month come after which month, then you will know the numbering also, like January on 1st, February on 2nd, March on 3rd, April on 4th, May on 5th, June on 6th, July on 7th, August on 8th, September on 9th, October on 10th, November on 11th, and December on 12th. Okay, now after this you need to know that how many days are there in a year. Here we have learned how many days are there in month, like in January how many days, February how many days, April how many days. Now when we talk about these 12 months all together, when we talk about the days in all these 12 months, so there are how many days? There are 365 days in a month, in a year. Okay, 365 days in a year in case of non-leap year, when there are 28 days in a year in February month. That means that is non-leap year and it has 365 days. But when it is leap year, then it has 29 days and 1 day increases in the year also. So it becomes 366 days in a year. Okay, so what we know, non-leap year has 365 days and leap year has 366 days. Okay, non-leap year has 365 days, 365 days, and leap year has 366 days in a year. So now what you have to learn with me? We are done with small things like how many days in a month, how many days in a year. But now what we have to learn is, more important is to learn about months, to learn the sequence of the month. So repeat after me: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and last is December. Again you have to repeat with me. When I'm giving the gap, that means you have to speak, okay? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now you have to learn days with me. January, 31 days. January, 31 days. February, 28 or 29 days. February, 28 or 29 days. March, 31 days. March, 31 days. April, 30 days. April, 30 days. May, 31 days. May, 31 days. June, 30 days. June, 30 days. July, 31 days. July, 31 days. August, 31 days. August, 31 days. September, 30 days. September, 30 days. October, 31 days. October, 31 days. November, 30 days. November, 30 days. December, 31 days. December, 31 days. Now, revising the counting of the months. January, first month. January, first month. February, second month. February, second month. March, third month. March, third month. April, fourth month. April, fourth month, May, fifth month, May, fifth month, June, sixth month, June, sixth month, July, seventh month, July, seventh month, August, eighth month, August, eighth month, September, ninth month, September, ninth month, October, 10th month, October, 10th month, November, 11th month, November, 11th month, December, 12th month, December, 12th month. Now we know the counting of the month, we know the name of the month, we know the days of the month, and we know how many days are there in a year. 365 days in non-leap year, and 366 days in leap year. So you have to revise it again and again. Repeat this video as many times as you want till the time you have not learned it thoroughly. Repeat it again and again. This video will be uploaded on YouTube channel. You can get it video from YouTube channel, and PDF I will upload on Snap Homework. Revise from PDF also and from the video also, so that you know the pronunciation also, and you know how to write the spellings also. Okay, revise it again and again till the time you have not learned. Again I'm telling you, this is the repeated video, this is the repeated content, repeated chapter which I'm taking again as a revision, so that you revise it again. That's all for this class. Revise them and learn them thoroughly. Thank you for the class.